Hey guys, Zapplon here, and today I'm going to show you what to do if your data gets dirty. So I'm going to simulate my my hard drive getting dirty. Okay, so that's what it would probably look like. This. So let me just move the camera around to the sink. So what you want to do is you want to take your hard drive, that thing, and you want to just run it under the tap so that, make sure you get into everything. Don't be shy to put a tiny little bit of washing up liquid or not. Okay, so now just rub it with it. Okay, so you should be left with something like this. Now, take the scrubby end of the sponge and just do this. And make sure you do it for both sides. Okay, so what you might want to do, if you really want to clean your hard drive, is you'll get a knife and you'll just scrape it along the surface. Just like that. And if you want, you can just stab it. Okay, so here comes the hard part. So let me move back over to here. Okay, so what you want to do is you need a banana peel for this next part. So just make sure you can get your banana open, because we're going to be eating it. Because we don't want to waste a banana. So let's just get right into that. Right. Let's move over to our workstation. So now that we have cleaned our hard drive, if you want to just give it a bit more, if you want to make it faster, you're going to want to do this. So take a bit of your peel and then just rub it on the hard drive platter thing. Right, so this will make it 10 times faster when you're trying to process images of bananas. Alright, so you see that? That's what you want. If you can, don't know if you can see that or not, but that's what you want it to look like. Let me just rub it on a bit more actually, because the longer you rub the banana onto the hard drive, the faster you can process images, of bananas. So maybe you just want to do one more thing to your hard drive to speed it up. So we are going to take a pen and scribble. It won't do much. When you hear that sound, you know that you're making it faster at processing, paint drawings. So there you can see we have an optimized hard drive now. So what you want to do is you just want to yeet it back into your